In this video, I'll show you how to review the uncoded lines reports in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, below accounting, you want to head over to the banking section, and from here, you want to click on the first option, which is bank accounts. Now, once you were on the bank account section, what we need to do is simply head over to the top and right corner. From here, you will see three dots for more actions. So just simply click on that. And once you do that, you will automatically see the option for the uncoded statement lines. What you need to do is simply click on the second option. And once you do that, it will automatically add you to the uncoded statement lines. From here, what you need to do is simply select the exact bank account in which you want to see the uncoded statement lines. On the drop-down, it will show you all of your bank accounts. You can choose all of your bank accounts as well as a specific bank account. Let's say we want to choose our business bank account. On the right-hand side, this is where you can set a date range. So you can add a start date, which is from. On the drop-down in here, you can choose a specific month of the year. And if you do want to add a specific year, head over to the month and the year, click on it. From here, you can set a month as well as a year. You can also do the same from the end date. On the right-hand side, you can order by either a date, a payee, a particulars, a reference or a code, an amount, or the comments. On the right-hand side, you can also change the sort order into ASC or DESC. Now, once you are ready to review your uncoded statement lines, on the right-hand side, just simply click on Run. And once you do that, it will automatically refresh the statement lines into the exact options in which you have selected. Let's say we want to do this for our savings account. On the right-hand side, if we click on Run, it should also refresh the statement line. Now, on the right-hand side, you can also choose to export the uncoded statement lines as either a PDF or CSV. Let's say we want to do this as a PDF. Once you do that, it will automatically download within your browser, and it will look exactly like this. So on the right-hand side, you can also change into however you want it to be. The PDF is powered by Adobe Acrobat. So in here, you can add your specific comments and save them into how you want it to be. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.